In this video, we discuss how to use your body's circadian rhythms, aka sleep-wake cycle, natural sleep-wake cycle, to optimize your sleep. Number one, and there are two things here. Number one is routine, routine, routine. Repeat after me. Routine, routine, routine. If possible, go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Your circadian rhythm thrives on regularity. Ideally, you're able to wake up without an alarm clock and feeling refreshed. But be realistic about what time you can go to sleep and what time you're going to wake up every day. Number two is exposure to natural bright light. Optimize your exposure to natural light first thing in the morning and appreciate the boost in alertness it creates. Go outside, open the blinds, work near a window, and if anything, get outside if you can and expose your eyes without sunglasses or eyeglasses on to that natural light. It will be a wonderful boost. It's almost like having a cup of coffee in the morning. So to review, the two major things that can help your body's natural circadian rhythms optimize your sleep, one is routine, 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 and two is get out and enjoy some natural light on the naked eyeballs.